Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video guys, meron na kami ipapakita sa inyo. Ito naman yung paggawa ng 18-inch kapis ball. Kung gusto niyo ang ganitong mga video guys at hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe at saka pakihit na rin ang notification bell para updated naman kayo sa bago naming mga video. So ayan na guys, sisimulan natin ang pinakaunang proseso ng paggawa ng kapis balls. Katulad ng mga una nating ginawa guys, kahit anumang design, ang pinakaunang proseso guys is gugupitin natin yung kapis gamit ang gunting. At para na rin natin makuha yung sukat ng pattern guys, is i-divide natin yung sukat ng bola na 18 inches. Nasa sa inyo na yun guys kung ilang shells ang gagamitin nyo, kung halimbawa around 24 siya or kung ilan. Ma-divide nyo yan guys. Ang kalalabasan nyo guys, yun na yung pinaka-pattern nya. And then pagkatapos natin gupitin yung kapis guys, isusunod ba natin ngayon ang ikalawang proseso. Ang ikalawang proseso nito guys ay bibindahan natin yung kapis gamit ang metal brass. And then pagkatapos natin mabindahan ang kapis guys, sisimulan naman natin ngayon ang paghinang para mabuo na yung bola. Ang una natin gagawin guys is pipikitihin natin yung mga kapis pahaba. And then pagkatapos natin mapikitin ng pahaba guys, sisimulan naman natin ngayon ang pagpapanel hanggat mabuo yung kalahati ng bola.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. chance to be ruthless. But it's your chance to be ruthless.
And then pagkatapos natin mabuo yung kalahati ng bola guys, lalagyan muna natin siya ngayon ng washer para paglagyan ng ilaw at pagkakabitan ng hook or di kaya kadena. And then pagkatapos natin mailagay ang hook guys, pagsaklubin naman natin ngayon ang magkabilang panel para mabuo na yung bola. And then pagkatapos natin mabuo ang bola guys, hugasan muna natin siya para mabarnisan. And then pagkatapos natin siya mabarnisan, kukulayan natin siya ngayon ng gold paint. Ang i-gold natin guys, yun lang mga lining. Ito na yung may mga brass. So ayan na guys, tapos na yung ating 18 inches na kapis ball, large kapis balls ito guys. Ready na ito guys para i-deliver. Sila na maglagay ng ilaw nito guys kasi yun ang request nila.